welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share 3 recipes with you guys. One for breakfast, one for lunch, and one for dinner. If you want to go for a clean diet, you can just go with the recipes I share today. They're just so healthy, so clean, so delicious. You can see those meal ideas as a way to diversify your meal plan. Without further ado, let's get started. The first recipe I'm going to share is a healthy breakfast wrap. First, I dice some onion and ham and put them in a bowl. Then I crack 2 eggs separately into the bowl and mix well. Add some salt and mix. Drizzle some oil into the pan and cover the whole bottom. Until the pan heated up, add onion, ham, and egg mixture into it. Give it a stir by using a chopstick. You can use whatever at your hand, it will work just fine. Add a handful of leafy greens. It will add some fibers to my diet. You can add more or less just based on your taste. Take out a tortilla wrap. Add the stir fries on top of it. Add 2 handfuls of cheddar cheese and wrap it. Cut it in half and enjoy. Very healthy looking. The second recipe is rainbow salad. Add a couple of handful leafy greens to the bowl. On top of that, you can add whatever toppings you like. This time, I decided to add some shredded carrots, sliced yellow bell pepper, some raspberries, orange bell pepper, a couple of cherry tomatoes. In the end, I'm going to add some protein, sliced ham. You can add whatever protein you like based on your taste. That's it, our rainbow salad bowl. So colorful and pretty. With this salad bowl, I'm going to pair it with some pear vinaigrette. I got this from Trader Joe's. It tastes really good. Give it this salad a little bit of sweetness. Okay. This is going to be my lunch at work. They're scared. I don't know why. I just made my dinner, some noodle salad. After I cook the pasta, I mix it with kale, some carrots, and edamame, as well as corn. I also add some sesame seeds for extra crunch and nutty flavors. The secret ingredient here, can you guys see that? It's this. Toasted sesame dressing. It looks like this. This is what I found today in Trader Joe's. It tastes so good. It tastes literally very, very delicious. The bad news is it's kind of high in calories, so I only put half portion of it into my noodle salad. I made the other half of the dressing myself by using the soy sauce, vinegar, a little bit sugar, salt, and sesame oil. It will enhance the flavors really well into this dish. After I mix them all together into this noodle salad, it smells pretty fragrant. I'm going to taste it. The vinegar is a highlight of this dish. If you only add the sesame dressing, it's going to taste so heavy, so thick, too much, you know? But the vinegar actually balances out all the heaviness from the dressings. It tastes pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. See? The two babies, they're just so cute. Aren't you guys cute? Hello. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi. She is so shy and cute, you know. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Middle. She's like a little baby. Hi. Hello. Nobody. Bonjour.